Hi everyone, how are you all guys? Somebody just tell me, audio and video both are clear everyone? For everyone, audio and video both are clear, all of you? Somebody just check it. Clear everyone? Right, okay. So we'll be starting our discussion on which one? Right. So we'll be continuing our discussion on this all state PSC PYQs of which one? This is surveying, right? All state PSC PYQs of what? Surveying, you can say, right? All state PSC PYQs of surveying we'll be discussing. And which parts we are discussing, if you just observe, right? That first chapter only we were discussing, the first chapter questions only we were discussing, right? All of you. And we'll be continue discussing the other questions also, if you just say, right? All of you. Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you? Get ready to crack, guys, all of you. Get ready to crack, right? So this is my referral code. RP Civil Live is my referral code you have to use always whenever you are subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses. Always, right? No. Right. Good evening, Leena and Prajit. Good evening. Somebody text in the group so that others also will join. So this today will be the last day for this offer, right? Today will be which one? Last day for this offer, all of you, right? Today will be what? Last day for this offer, right? Which offer you can say? This unlock 20 offer, right? Unlock 20 offer, right? Today will be the last day for this unlock 20 offer, all of you, right? Don't miss this offer. So what is that unlock 20 offer? When you are taking 20%, when you are using the referral code RPC Live, you'll be getting that at 20% discount, right? Previously, you'll be getting which one? This 10% discount, you know? Now you'll be getting which one? This 20% discount, right? RP Civil Live is a code you have to use, right? No. Last day for this offer, not for this survey. Last day for this offer, all of you. Okay, right? Don't miss this, all of you. Subscribe and utilize this offer, all of you, right? Iconic subscription and plus subscription, right? Like that. Okay, right? So now there is a great news which is coming up for GATE and ESE aspirants, right? For those GATE and ESE aspirants, there is a good news coming up, all of you. Yeah, Ganga, good evening. There is a good news coming up, all of you. Just wait for the surprise, all of you. Stay tuned to Unacademy. You will be getting that surprise, right? Suddenly. And there is a scholarship test, right? Every week you will be having this scholarship test going on. You can crack your GATE examination for 2023 or 2024 with Unacademy scholarship test, right? With which one? With Unacademy scholarship test, you can say, right? And in Delhi recently that Unacademy store has started, all of you. Don't miss this, right? If you are nearby Delhi, try to visit this Unacademy store, right? That is address given in Delhi, right? Now coming to this, March 30th, right? March 30th, this Unacademy Combat will, March 20th, not 30th. Unacademy Combat will be there. 20 questions and 60 minutes time will be there. First 3 toppers will be getting 100% scholarship. And next 74 to 10, 75% scholarship, right? 11 to 50, 50% scholarship. And 51 to 100, 25% scholarship you will be getting. Okay. And what is a referral code or enrollment code we have to use? RP Civil Live Visa enrollment code you have to use, right? Where is the regular hit by? He will come, don't worry. Yeah, tomorrow onwards he said he will come regularly. And there is also one more subscription, that is your Unacademy Lite subscription, right? Unacademy Lite subscription, right? In this Unacademy Lite subscription, what is that you are having? So this is 33% lesser prices only for limited offer you are having. Unacademy Lite subscription means it is only for which one? This is a test series subscription, all of you, right? Don't miss this. Now these are all the benefits of this iconic subscription when compared along with that plus subscription benefits, right? Yeah, Divya, good evening. Yeah, yes, he texted me, Lina. Right. So what is this? This is your verbal ability and personality ability, right? Reasoning, right? Reasoning ability and technical hours, right? Technical syllabus, right? Corresponding to which one? This is placements, right? Yeah, Padma, good evening. So now if we just observe this Ascend batch, right? The new batch is going to start, that is today. Ascend batch is going to start. So whenever this new Ascend batch is going to start, don't miss these batches, all of you, right? Try to subscribe to the plus and iconic courses, all of you, right? And start attending with these new batches, everyone. Okay, Evolve batch also will be starting now. RP Civil Dive will be the one which is starting, right? Karpaya, good evening. Right, coming to this, how many questions we have done? Anybody, do you remember, all of you? How many questions we have done in this? First part we have done already. Second part also we have done. Na? In this first chapter only we are discussing it. First part also. First chapter, right? Fundamentals of this surveying only we were discussing. Yes, na? Yeah. You said, don't say like that. Don't say that chota bacha na, he will get fear. Right. So now what we are doing in the first chapter itself, that is second type of second topic, right? What is the second topic we are discussing in this first chapter? Last time we have started it, last class we have started this already, scales, right? This chapter 1, fundamentals of this surveying, and 1.2, right? Second topic in the first chapter, that is the scales we are discussing, right? Up to which questions we have discussed? Up to these questions only we have discussed, na? 32 questions, is na? Now shall we start discussing further questions, all of you? Shall we start discussing these further questions, everyone? Shall we start discussing, all of you? Yes, we will start discussing, right? So what is that today's class? If you just observe, what is that today's class? You can say that today's class will be, right? That today's class will be which one? All state PSC PYQs of surveying part 4 will be having, right? Everyone is ready, all of you? Everyone is ready? All of you ready? Yes, get ready, guys, right? Get ready, guys. This 33rd question. Tell me the answer, everyone. Tell me the answer, everyone. Tell me the answer, everyone. Anyone tell me the answer for this question, all of you? Write the question number and write this. See in this, how many questions we are done in this scales? This first one question, only one question we are done, and this is second question we are done. Na? The second question we are done, and we are looking into this third question, because right, we are looking into which one? This third question from this scales, right? Try to write the answer, all of you, everyone. Nobody is writing the answer. Hello, yeah. Nobody is writing the answer, right? Try to write the answer, all of you. Right, write the question number and answer, right? Question number and answer, so that what will happen, those who are attending this class later on will be able to understand, right? Lina, write the question number and answer, right? 33 and C, like that you have to write. Deepa, Karpaya, Lina said C. Any other answer by any other people? Okay, now we'll try to solve this question, right? Now we'll try to solve this question of you. So what is this question we have to solve now here? The plan of a map was photocopied to a reduced size such that the line originally 120 millimeter measures 90 millimeter, right? What is happening? Whenever you are taking the Xerox, right? Originally one map is available and you are taking Xerox of that Xerox copy or a photocopy of that map. Whenever you are taking the photocopy of that map, what happens? 120 millimeter one has become which one? This 90 millimeter, na? Then the original scale of this plane was plan was 1:1000. Then what will be the revised scale if you just observe, right? Then what is a revised scale if you just say, right? So if you just observe, right, what is it you can say? 1 millimeter on map, sorry, what it has become if you just observe, 120 millimeters, na? 120 millimeter on original map, 120 millimeters on map. What it will become? It will be changed to, right? It will be equal to which one? This is 90 millimeters for what? It will be equal to that 90 millimeters for which one? 90 millimeters on what? 90 millimeters on this photocopy. Now tell me, then what is that 1 millimeter on this map? It is equal to how much? 1 millimeter on this map is equal to how much you can say? 90 by 120 millimeter on this photocopy, na? Yes or no? 90 by 120, right? 90 by 120 millimeter on which one? 90 by 120 millimeter on photocopy, if you just observe, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? So 19 by 120, right? What is that? You can say 1 millimeter on the map, right? So 1 millimeter on the map, if you just observe, 1 millimeter on map is equal to original scale. What is that? 1:1000 na? 1 millimeter on the map is equal to 1000 millimeters on which one? Or you can also say 1 millimeter on the map is equal to how much? 1 millimeter on the map is equal to that 90 by this 120, right? What is that 90 by 120? What is that 90 by 120? If you just subtract 1 millimeter on the map is equal to 90 by 120 millimeter on which one? On photocopy. But both will be equal to how much, all of you? But both will be equal to how much? 1:1000 means 1 millimeter on the map is equal to, can we say it is your 1000 millimeter in on field or on ground? Can we say? Now what is that? So 1 millimeter on the map, right? So whenever you consider this scale, original scale, right? What is that? 1 millimeter on the map is equal to which one? This is 1000 millimeters on the ground. And if with respect to photocopy, what is that? 90 by 120 millimeter on the photocopy is equal to that 1000 millimeter on the ground, right? Then what is that new scale of the photography? Scale, or if you just scale on which one? This photocopy, right? Scale on this photocopy. How can you get this scale on this photocopy? Then 1 millimeter, right? Then 1 millimeter on this photocopy is how much? 1 millimeter on this photocopy or Xerox is equal to how much? That 1000 into what is that? 1000 into what is that? This 120 will go that side now. So 1000 into 120 divided by this 90. So what it will become if you just observe? 1330 na, or 1333.33 or not? Then what is the new scale you can say? Yeah, one ghost and one devil, right? Yes, correct. What is that a new scale you are having? New scale is nothing but 1 millimeter by which one? 1333.33 na. So no, 1 millimeter is equal to that 1333.33, right? 1333.33 millimeters, right? 1 is to which one? 1333. Is it not that option C correct, everyone? Is it not that option C correct, all of you? Yes, option C will be the correct option, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Shall I go to the next question? Shall I go to the next question, all of you? Shall I move to the next question? Yeah, Ritvik, hi, how are you? Shall I move to the next question, all of you? Yes, I'll be moving on to the next question, right? This 34th question, try to select the answer, all of you. 34th question, try to select the answer, everyone. So this is the question given. If you just observe, this kind of question is nowhere given in any examination, right? Yes, I am good, Ritvik, how are you? This question is given nowhere if you just observe, right? Even in GATE and ESE also this question is not given, right? In Gujarat Public Service Commission AE examination, for the first time this model question is given. Okay, you have to be careful. Even in GATE also you did not find a previous question as this one. Okay, all of you. One student tell me, all of you. Select the answer, right? Write your answer, all of you. Write your answer, everyone. C 25%. And Karpaya, C, Deepak, D. Any other answer by anyone else? Any other answer by anyone else, all of you? Any other answer by anyone else? Any other answer by anyone else? All of you? Leena, C. Next. Any other answer? Karpaya, C, Deepak, D, Leena, C. Any other answer, all of you? Any other answer? Right. What is that? A plan was drawn to a scale of this 1:4000 and was measured by a scale of this 1:5000. Then the percentage error in the length measured will be, right? What is that original scale? What is that original scale? Original scale will be which one? This 1:4,000 and wrong scale will be this 1:5,000, right? Now tell me if you just observe it, that scale will be directly that error. Suppose if you just observe it, the distance will be directly proportional to the scale or inversely proportional to the scale? Inversely proportional to the scale, na? Yes or no? So what is that percentage error in the length measured then? Percentage error in length measured, right? Percentage error in length measured. What is the percentage error in length measured if you just observe? Equal to 1/4,000 minus which one? This 1/5,000 divided by how much? Divided by this is simply that 1/5,000 into 100. What is the percentage change? You will be getting it as this 25% change or not? Yes, you will be getting it as which one? This 25% change if you just observe, right? 25% change. Option C will be the correct answer, right? Like that. So why we cannot write this 1/4,000 here? Because since that length will be directly proportional to scale or length is inversely proportional to scale. Length is inversely proportional to scale, right? Length is inversely proportional to scale, right? Generally, what is the percentage of error in the length measured? Percentage error of the length measured is equal to, what is that you can say? Length of this wrong length measured, right? Listen carefully. Wrong length measured minus which one? Wrong length measured minus this correct length measured divided by which one? This correct length measured, na? Into 100. Right? Yeah, yes, what is your confusion, right? Then if it is a scale, what is that? 1/s of which one? This is correct, right? You have to write it in the reverse manner, right? 1/s of this correct minus 1/s of which one? This 1/s of this wrong. 1/s of this wrong divided by which one? This 1/s of which one? This wrong only will come into picture. Okay, is it clear? Whenever the distances are there, like that it will come. Whenever the distances are there, like this it will come. But whenever the scales are there, it will come in the bottom, right? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? All of you? How it has come into picture? Yeah, it is dependent, right? It is dependent. Always, right? Always, generally, whenever you are, here, Lena, your doubt will be cleared from this, right? That expression, percentage change or percentage error in the length in terms of this length, if you wanted to calculate, wrong length minus this correct length by correct length into 100. That is what we have to do it. But in terms of scales, if you wanted to calculate, opposite it will become, right? In the denominator, that 1/s of this wrong, that 1/s wrong scale value will come into picture. Is that clear? Generally, in the denominator, original one will come, but here what happens in terms of scales means wrong scale will come, because that length is inversely proportional to the scale then, right? Like that. Is that clear? Isn't it? Now, shall I move to the next question of you? Shall I move to the next question, everyone? Right, I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Try to select the answer of you. This 35th question. Select the answer for this, all of you. Even if you do not remember also, we can select the answer easily. Yes, na? Even if you do not remember also, we can select the answer easily, right? How can you select? Based on the scale or quantity of this project, na? Yes, na? Based on the scale or this quantity of this project, na? Yes, Lena said C and Karpaya said C. Any other answer from others? Any other answer from others, all of you? Any other answer from others, all of you? Right. Yes, correct, right? Whenever it is a building, right? Building means what will happen? Very small scale will be using a building means what? Building means very large scale we are using na, because this one very small dimensions will be there for the building, and for the town somewhat higher dimensions, and for after town route is having somewhat higher. After that route, topography is the largest dimensions, right? As the dimensions are this area of this surveying increases, what happens? As the area of this surveying increases, what happens, all of you? The scale will be decreasing, na? As area to be surveyed, right? Area to be surveyed or drafted, area to be surveyed or drafted increases, what happens? Scale value decreases, right? Scale decreases, right? Scale decreases mean, when you can say that scale decreases means this 1 by s value, this total decreases, means s denominator increases, right? Denominator increases, right? So now tell me, building survey least denominator, so means a town planning survey, after that what is the next one? 1 is to 5,000, right? That route survey is the next one. So route survey is the next one, means it will become which one? This like this, right? 1 is to 10,000. And what is that? Topographic survey. Topographic survey is the highest area we have to draw it. So it is denominator should be highest, you can say like that. Is clear everyone? So AA, BB and CD and DC. Which option it will be? Option C will be the correct option. Yes, option C will be the correct option, right? Like that. Shall I move to the next question of you? Shall I move to the next question, everyone? Right. Right. Try to select the answer for this, all of you. This 36th question. Select the answer, everyone. Almost 60 questions are there in the first chapter itself, right? You have to be careful. Once done, tell me, all of you. 36C. All CCC only today. Okay. 36C, right? Karapaya and Lina. What about others? Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? Right. Okay. The diagonal scale is used to read, not road, it is read, right? Diagonal scale is used to read which one? It is used to read which one? Yes, it is used to read 1 unit, right? 1 unit, 2 consecutive units, 3 consecutive units, right? It is the 3 consecutive units now. How is that a diagonal scale if you just observe, everyone? How is that a diagonal scale if you just observe, everyone? So here we will be having in this manner, na? Yes or no? We will be having in this manner, right? Do you remember this, all of you? Like this will be having, right? Like this will be having, right? Isn't it? Like this will be having, right? So what is that you are having? So only, right? So only what is that you are having? This 10, right? If you just observe, you will be having these values also, na, like this, right? These lines also will be there, na? Yes or no? So suppose if you are measuring, right, it is which one? This is 0, 10 meter, right? 0, which one? This is 10 meter, and this is your 20 meter, this is your 30 meter, this is your 40 meter. Yes, na? That is your 40 meter, right? And if you just observe, this is your 1, 2, 3 up to 9 meters we are having, right? And this is which one? This is 0.1 meter, 0.2 meter, 0.3 meter, like that 0.9 meters we are having, right? Means what you are measuring? You are measuring 3 units, na? Yes or no? We are measuring 3 units or not? Yes, we are measuring the 3 consecutive units, right? What is that you can measure? Either meters, centimeter, millimeter, right? Either this combination, or you can also measure which one? Or you can also measure which one? Yard, feet and inch, right? Yard, feet and inch, right? Next, what else you can measure? Units, right? Units we can measure. Next, tens we can measure, and hundreds also we can measure, na? Like that 3 consecutive units are measured by which one? This 3 consecutive units are measured by which one? This diagonal scale if you just observe, isn't it, everyone? Right. Now try to select the answer for this, all of you, this question, everyone. Select the answer, all of you. Yeah, poll is not available, but here in YouTube it is not possible to create poll. It is not possible to create poll in this YouTube. Tell me everyone, calculate and select the answer, all of you. Done everyone? Select the answer and write your options there. Write your options there, all of you. 10.309. Any other answer? Karpaya said 10.31, 10.309 meters. Any other answer by other fellows? Any other answer by other fellows, all of you? Lina, option A. Right, both said option A only. Any other people? Only you both are present. Many people are showing live, but only you both are answering. Right. A plan of an area drawn with the original scale of this 1 centimeter to 10 meter. Right. 1 centimeter to 10 meter means what is that you can say? 1 centimeter to 10 meter. Right. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters. Right. 10 meter is nothing but how many centimeters if you just observe? 10 meter is nothing but which one? 10 into 100 na 10 into 100 is nothing but your 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter is equal to which one? This 1000 centimeters na 1000 centimeters, right? Then what is that a representative fraction for this one? 1 by 1000 is a representative fraction for this or not, all of you? 1 by 1000 is a representative fraction original, right? Original, right? Yes, na? They are seriously listening. Very good then. The shrunk the shrunk is such that a line originally 15 centimeter long on the plan measures now 14.5 centimeters, right? What is it you can say? What is that shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor? Shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor is equal to that 14.5 divided by which one? This 15, right? 14.5 divided by this 15, right? How much it comes to be? 14. Okay, we'll keep that 14.5 by this 15 only if you just want, is not? Or it is equal to that 145 divided by this 150, you can say, if you want, right? That is your shrinkage factor, right? Now tell me what is that you are asked to. Shrink scale is given by 1 centimeter is equal to, right? Tell me what is that shrunk scale, all of you? What is that shrunk scale, everyone? What is that shrunk scale equal to, everyone? How much it comes to be? What is that shrunk scale, everyone? Shrunk scale is nothing but, right? Shrunk scale is nothing but original scale into which one, right? Shrunk scale is nothing but your original scale into, right? Original, right? Original scale into which one? Original scale into that shrinkage factor, right? What is that original scale? You can say 1 by 1000 is the original scale na, into what is that shrinkage factor? If you just observe 145 divided by this 150. So tell me how much it comes to be then. 1 divided by, we have to get it now, 1 divided by this 1000 into 150 divided by this 145, right? So tell me this value, just calculate the denominator. What is the shrunk scale if you just observe? What is the shrunk scale if you just observe, all of you? That is 0.97. Okay, make it. How much it comes to be then? 10, right? 1030.9 na, 1030.9 you are getting, right? 1 divided by this 1030.9, right? This implies what is it you can say? This implies 1 centimeter is equal to 1030.9, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 1030.9 centimeters, right? That means that will be equal to which one? This 10.31 meters, right? 10.31 meters, right? Like that. Is that clear, all of you? Is that clear, everyone? So which option is correct? Option A, first option will be correct or not? Yes, option A, that first option will be correct if you just observe it like that. Shall I move to the next question, of you? Shall I move to the next question, everyone? Shall I? Yes, I'll be moving on to the next question. Right, try to select the answer, of you. Select the answer, everyone, for this 38th question. 38, 39, 40. We'll solve those two questions and we'll stop. because KP sir's environmental class is going on, other OCF classes. Tell me the answer for this, everyone. This is given in Assam PSC, Punjab PSC, P2CL, right? Many questions it is given, right? Many examinations it is given, right? Tell me the answer, everyone. Yeah, tell me the answer for this. Okay, Karpaya, no problem. I'll be closing with this question, no problem. Right, it is a, right, 1 centimeter is equal to, right, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meters, right? So what is that? 1 centimeter is equal to that 50 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meter means, right, what is the representative fraction if you just observe? 1 divided by this 50 meters. Now how can you convert that meters to centimeters, all of you? 100 na? So what is that? 1 by how much? 1 by 5000, right? What is the second one if you just observe? 1 by 50,000 is already there na? 1 by 50,000, right? That first one is 1 by 5,000, 1 by 50,000, right? Next, what is the third one? 1 centimeter is equal to that 50 kilometers, right? 50 kilometers, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometers means, right, what it comes to be? The representative fraction will be how much? 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter divided by which one? Right? 1 centimeter divided by this 50 kilometers, right? 50 kilometers means 50 into, how can you convert that meters to, kilometers to meters if you just observe? Kilometers to meters, right? Kilometers to meters means you can convert it as which one? First, kilometers to meters is 1000, meters to centimeters 100, right? Now if you just observe how much it comes to be? 1 divided by this 5, 3 zeros, 2 zeros and 1 zero, right? Like that you are getting, right? So now tell me, which one is the largest scale? Largest scale means, right, largest scale means this denominator will be least na? Denominator should be least, or na? Denominator is least for which one? This first only na? Denominator is least for this first option only. Option A is only correct. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone of you? Yes. I'll be closing the session. So tomorrow again we'll be continuing with which one? These other questions, right? Tomorrow also at 4:30 p.m. you are having. I'll be continuing with which one? Other questions, right? I'll be continuing with other questions in this tomorrow's class, all of you. Okay. Thank you all of you.